y'all doing? My name is Shakina Wells, and I am a tax specialist with True Tax and Credit Solutions. If you go to our website, which is listed right up here, www.truetaxandcredit.com, you'll be able to pull up our company website and learn more about us. I don't want to make this video too long. I want to make it really short and sweet. I just wanted to introduce myself so you all can see that I am exactly who I say I am, because I know when you're dealing with something as sensitive as your taxes, you definitely want to know the person who's doing your tax return. And since I am a mobile tax specialist, I can do returns for anyone in the United States. So you most likely won't see me in person. So that's why I'm making this video, so you can get a feel of exactly who I am. I am 29 years old. I currently reside in the Atlanta area. I am a mom. I have a 9-year-old daughter. I have never, ever been arrested for anything in my life. So I'm definitely won't be going to jail for tax fraud. Not today, not tomorrow. That's not happening. I am a legit certified tax specialist. I've been background checked, I've been trained, and I have been certified to maximize your tax return. So I just wanted to say hello so you get to know me, and I wanted to log into the system so you can actually see me actually going into the system to do a tax return. So I'm actually right now on the company website, truetaxandcredit.com. I just wanted to see that I do actually have login information for this company. I do actually really work with them. So I'm gonna bring up our tax software. Do you see True Tax and Credit Solutions? Just let me log in. And there you have it. I thought I did that already, but here we go. I actually have access to the tax software, so I can actually prepare your tax return. So I'm just waiting on you to get it started so we can get that money in your pocket, honey. So let me maximize your tax return. So if that's not enough information, you see I actually have login to the True Tax and Credit Solutions tax software. I also want to let y'all see I'm on the IRS website. To be a tax preparer, to prepare taxes for financial gain, you have to have a PTAN number from the IRS. So I'm going to log in real quick so y'all can see that I do actually have a registered PTAN number with the IRS. So you see my name right here, Shakina Renee Wells. Here is my PTAN number that I have to place on every single tax return. As you can see, it is active status. It doesn't expire until the end of the year. So yes, I actually do work for True Tax and Credit Solutions. I'm registered with the IRS to do tax return. So I am legit. I'm not hiding behind the computer screen trying to steal anyone's information. All I'm doing is helping you get your maximum tax return. So if you're ready to get your taxes done today, all you have to do is email me. You can send me a message on Facebook, or you can call me. All the information will be down below in the description box. I'm here and I'm ready to be your tax specialist. The next step is for you to reach out to me so we can get the process started. Again, I just wanted to, introduce myself, say hello, because I'm doing your taxes virtually, so you won't see me in person. So I just wanted you to get a feel of who I am, that I am a real person. This face is me. This is me. I'm not hiding behind a fake profile or anything like that. I'm not trying to pull any scams or the wool over your eyes. I'm not going to run off with your tax return. Because I'm doing this video because I know during tax time there are a lot of scams and people are ultra sensitive when it comes to letting somebody handle, their private information. But you can trust me, honey. I've been checked. Background check. Like I said, I've never been in any type of trouble with the law, and I'm not trying to do Fed time. That's just not me. That's not a good look. So again, my name is Shakina Wells. I'm getting ready to end this video. Again, I'm a licensed tax specialist with True Tax and Credit Solutions. Oh, we don't only just do taxes. If you need help with credit repair, this is a good time to get your credit repaired. You know, you're getting them extra few coins. Don't forget, to get your credit in order, because that's also important. So yes, we do tax returns and we also do credit repair solutions. So all you gotta do is hit me up today to get your taxes done. If you need credit repair, we can get that started for you as well. I'm getting ready to end this video now because I didn't want to make it too long. I just wanted to say hi everybody out there in the virtual world and introduce myself as Shakina, the tax lady. So call me, message me, email me. I'm ready to do your tax return. I'm just waiting on you. Let's get it started. Bye.